Been a big day already here at Terra in the Pit, presented by Kawasaki. The track you're looking at was carved out of a gravel pit and transformed into ERX Motor Park. And this weekend it's been where we've enjoyed some Kawasaki great moments. And though this place entertains people weekly, this weekend everybody has been having a good time. There's a guy carving animals with his chainsaw. The drummer and the DJ got together, and the fans had a great time hanging out with all of our phenomenal Terracross racers. But it's not just about racing here at Terracross. The boys of Quad Freestyle also came out to put on a show for the fans.
You know, in the freestyle aspect, always a fan favorite. You know, these guys just come out, they're not in it for the contest. They're just out here having a good time, jam sessioning. This is what these guys do on a weekly basis. They go out, ride with their friends. That's what they're doing here at ERX.
They may be having fun here this weekend, but in a couple of weeks, they'll be competing head-to-head in a new event for them called Speeding with Style, where they'll be combining these big tricks with racing on this race course. I think this is going to be epic.
You know, I have to totally agree. For these Quad Freestyle guys, there hasn't been an event like this for them. They have to be excited. You take the freestyle aspect, it's gnarly. You combine it with racing, it's going to be absolutely incredible.